Hello friends, welcome to Molly Court. This development is located in Abington Township. This particular unit is 926 Molly Court. It is listed for $675, almost 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Let's take a look inside. Here's the hallway. I love the staircase. By the way, did I mention that if you are building the house in this development, it is semi-customized, so you can customize your rooms and details about the home. Follow me to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and of course, hardwood floors. Let's look at the master suite. Love the ceiling. And another thing that I love about this master suite is the fact that it has his and her closet and a ginormous sitting area that I personally would turn into a dream closet. Perfect place for shoes and bags. Master suite. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Love for Real Estate. See you soon.